The 7th and 8th articles of the 3rd chapter, Rights of the Data Subjects, and the 18th and 19th overall, are called Right to Restriction of Processing, and Notification Obligation regarding rectification or erasure of personal data or restriction of processing. The data subject could request that the controller is restricted to process his data in specific cases, as follows. If the personal data is not accurate as per its owner, the controller has to verify it first. If the data owner requests restriction, in case processing was deemed unlawful. If the controller no longer needs the data, but the owner does, for legal purposes, then the data can be kept, but processing would be restricted. Aside from storing the data, all other activities are restricted, unless the data subject gives his consent, or if for purposes of public interest and legal claims. Prior to the restriction being lifted, the controller has to inform the data subject. The modification and erasure of data, or the restriction of processing, should be communicated by the controller to all the recipients of this data, and the owner should be informed of those recipients, upon his request.